So welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So I'm out here working on heavy metal, my 1982 K20. So I wanted to give you guys some updates, some stuff I did to the truck. I finally finished my bucket list camper topper. So that's basically what this video is about. But I did do some other stuff, like I added this really sweet bug deflector that I found down at the Jefferson Car Show. I added the High Sierra badges that I also found at the car show. And a few other little things. I clear coated the truck with some matte kind of clear stuff. It looks okay. I'm okay with that. We messed around with the seat over there, and then we got back here and we fixed up this truck topper. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's kind of dark out, a little cloudy today, but I'm not sure of the exact year, but it's a fliteway truck topper. And in one of the older videos, so I got the truck topper for 50 bucks. It came on the 71 when I got it, and I always wanted to fix it up, but it's been sitting back there for years. So I finally had a buddy, Shabilski, come over and help me finish it up and redo the inside. And I replaced all the rotted wood. And I made a TikTok video and a short video, if you guys seen those. And we put all new paneling and stuff up in here, and it turned out pretty sweet. So just wanted to make a little video. And then we got some cushions from the couch. And made some curtains. I used some old arrows that I had and some old camo fabric. And then I made some screens for it, and the windows all work. So I'm looking forward to doing some tailgating and stuff with this thing. I couldn't find a lot of videos on YouTube about people fixing up the truck topper, so it must not be cool as fixing up campers and stuff yet, but I think it looks cool. So what do you guys think? I still got some more plans. When I got the topper, it had a broken back window, so I got some ideas. For now, I just kind of put the plastic over that. It's kind of lame, I know. But we're gonna do something with that. I got a pretty cool idea. But just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on my side projects here. Hit the like button if you think it's cool.